French with Lulu by LingoChunga app. Bonjour, this is Lulu again. Ever wondered how to chat about your activities in French? Let's dive into how to express actions seamlessly. To say that you're doing something right now in French, you use je suis en train de, followed by a verb, meaning I am in the process of. Let's see how this works with some everyday activities. If you're reading, you'd say je suis en train de lire. This helps you share that you're currently immersed in a book. Now, imagine you're painting. You'd smoothly transition your conversation by saying je suis en train de peindre. It's another great way to convey your ongoing activities. Or if you're in the kitchen, simply express je suis en train de cuisiner. Each phrase helps paint a picture of your day-to-day life. Now you're equipped to share what you're doing in French with je suis en train de. With each phrase, you connect more with your daily activities. À bientôt! Practice makes perfect. More videos, podcasts, and pre-made sets in the LingoChunga app, the reimagined flashcard experience. Get it now!